Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rahmi Khalidah Pane with student ID number 2024-32019. In this video, I will explain my web programming segment. This segment consists of a personal portfolio website, a semester grade calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and a course information search application using PHP. I will explain each file is function and the logic used in the program. Okay, first I will explain the index.html file. This file is used to create the about me page. At the beginning of the file, there is a head section that contains the page title, responsive viewport setting, Google font, and link to the CSS file. Next, there is a navigator that contains the website, brand name, portfolio, Rahmi, and two navigation menu, which are about me and grade calculator. The active is used to indicate the page currently being opened. Below the navigation bar, there is a hero section. In the section, I display my profile photo using the image tag, my full name, student ID number, study program, and short biography. After that, there is a skill section that display for skill HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and database. Finally, there is section called expectation for the text to semester, which contains my personal goals and expectation during my studies. The next style CSS. I will explain the style CSS file. This file contains a global style are used by all page. At the top is used CSS custom properties inside the root selector to define the color palette used through the website. Using variable make the design more consistent and easier to maintain. Background color and the text color. The navbar class is used to create a sticky navigation bar so that it remains visible when the page is scrolled. The card class is used to create content cards with padding, round corner, and show effect. I also use transition properties to make button and input files smoother when interacted with. Finally, there is a media query that ensures that website remain responsive on small screen. Okay, next, the next file is tentang CSS. This file contains style specifically for the about me page. The hero class is used to arrange the profile image and personal information. The profile image class controls the size, border, and shape of the profile photo. The skill class organizes the skill text using a flexible layout. The skill class creates color label for each skill. I also add hover effect to improve user interaction and visual approach. Next, calculator HTML. I will explain the calculator HTML file. This file is used to create the semester grade calculator page. The page contains the same navigation bar as the about me page. Below the title, I display the grading weight segment contribute 30%, midterm exam contribute 30%, and final exam contribute 40%. The page also contains the input fields for a segment, midterm exam, and final exam. A calculator button is provided to start the calculator process. There are process section used to display calculation result and validation error. Okay, next, calculator CSS. The file contains style for the calculator page. It controls the layout of the form, button, result section, and error message. Different CSS classes are created for grade A, B, C, D, and E. Each grade has a different color so user can easily distinguish the result. Next, calculator JS. Now I will explain the JavaScript logic. The first function is window on dot unload. This function display a welcome message when the calculator page is updated. The second function is hunting nilai akhir. This function calculator the final score based on assignment, midterm, and final exam score. The formula used is 30% assignment score, 30% midterm score, and 40% final exam score. The next function is the tentukan grade. This function convert the final score into a letter grade from A to A. The validation input function is used validate user input. It check whether the input is empty, not a number or set the valid range for 0 to 100. Finally, is used at different listener of the calculate button. When the button is clicked, the program retrieves the input values, validate the data, calculate the final score, determines the grade, and display the result. Console log is also used to display debugging information in the browser console. And the next, matkul PHP. The last file is matkul PHP. This file implement a course information search application using PHP. The user enter a course name into the form and submit the data using the post method. I use the trim function to remove unsecure space and the store lower function to convert text into lower case letter. This makes it the search process case insensitive. The program uses else if and else statement to compare the user input with available course data. If a matching course is found, the program displays detailed information such as laboratory name, course code, credit, and description. If no match is found, the program displays a message indicating that the course is not available. Okay, now I will show the result of the About Me page. This page in the main page of portfolio website, at the top there is a navigation bar that contains the website title, portfolio, Rahmi, and navigation menu for About Me and grade calculator. The active menu indicate the current page being displayed is the About Me page. Below the navigation bar there is a profile section. This section contains my profile photo, full name, student ID, number, study program, and short biography. biography. The biography briefly explains my interest in information technology and my willingness to continue learning and developing my skill in the IT field. The next section is the skill section. In this section is display several skills that I have learned, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and database. The skills are displayed using color text to make them more attractive and easier to read. Below the skill section, there is an expectation for the text to semester section. This section contains my personal goals and expectations during my studies, such as improving my understanding of programming, developing practical skill, and gaining more experience overall. This page function as a simple personal portfolio website that introduces my profile, skill, and future goals. Next, I will demonstrate the result of semester grade calculator. I entered the segment score as 80, the midterm score as 85, and the final exam score as 90. After clicking the calculate button, the program processes the data using the formula that has been defined in the JavaScript code. The formula used is assignment score multiplied by 30% plus midterm score multiplied by 30% plus final exam score multiplied by 40%. Based on this calculation, the final score obtained is 85.50. Next, the program determines the grade using the function. Since the final score is greater than 4 to 80, the student receives grade A. The result is then displayed in the result section, showing both the final the result both indicate a positive result and represent grade A. This show that the calculation process and grade determination have been successfully executed by the program. Now I will demonstrate the result of the course information search application. In this example, the course is successfully found. The program displays the course information including the course code, credit, laboratory name, and description. This shows that the PHP program worked correctly. Next, in this example, the course was not found. The program displays the message course not found because the input entered does not match the available data. Okay, in conclusion, this project demonstrates the implementation of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP in developing simple web application through its assignment. I learned how to create web page, apply styling using CSS, process calculation with the JavaScript, and use conditional statement in PHP. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.